Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Beach Bomber from Fortnite. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna draw a curved line across for the lower line of her cap, and from the left side I'm gonna turn it downwards. And below that ending point, I'm going to draw an arch curved line across for her ear, turn it downwards at the outer corner, and turn it back inwards at the lower point. Above the ear on the right side, I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line across. Below that, I'm going to draw a line downwards. Semicircle turn diagonally to the right and to her chin, curved line across on her chin, and turn it diagonally upwards on the right side of her face, and semicircle turn upwards. For the piece of hair on the right side of her face, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line out and downwards, semicircle turn downwards, and sharp turn back diagonally upwards to the lower point of her cap. From the left side of her cap, I'm going to draw a curved line upwards, semicircle turn to the right with an arch curved line, semicircle turn back downwards and slightly to the left on the right corner. On the left side of that, above the ear, I'm going to draw a curved line upwards, semicircle turn across with another arch curved line for the top of her cap, and turn it back downwards on the right side. Now inside of her face at the upper corner, in the middle point, I'm going to draw a line downwards off center to the left, diagonal curved line across to the left and slightly upwards, semicircle turn slightly down at the outer corner, and I'm going to repeat the same set of line at this upper point right here. Below the eyebrow, I'm going to draw her eye. From the inner corner, a curved line upwards, semicircle turn sideways to the left, turn it slightly downwards, and curl it upwards at the outer corner of the eye. I'm gonna thicken the upper line of the eye in the middle point right there. For the lower line of the eye, I'm gonna draw a curved line across from the inner corner to the left, semicircle turn upwards at the outer corner of the eye. Inside of the eye, I'm going to draw her pupil with a circular shape in the middle point. And inside of that, on the top right corner, a small circle, a black circle in the middle point. At the inner corner of the eye, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards right there. Mirror the whole eye shape on the right side. Now for the tip of her nose, I'm going to draw a U curved line across in the middle point below the eye, and curved line downwards at the side of that on both the left and right. Below the nose, I'm going to draw her mouth with a curved line across from the outer corner of the mouth right there, and from the outer corner, I'm going to draw her upper lips with diagonal curved line across and turn it upwards to the middle point, turn it back downwards in the middle point. Mirror the same shape of the lips on the right side as well. And for the lower lips, I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line downwards and to the middle point, curved line across in the middle point, and turn it back upwards on the right side. Below her head, I'm going to draw her neck with curved line downwards on both the left and right, flare it outwards at the base of her neck. On the right side of the neck, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards, semicircle turn diagonally to the left, zigzag line at that corner across to the left, curved line across, and at that corner, I'm going to draw a curved line diagonally up for her left shoulder, semicircle turn across to the base of her neck right there. Below that line, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards, semicircular turn to the right. On the left side of that, another curved line downwards. On her right shoulder, I'm going to draw an arch curved line across, and on the right side of that, curved line across to the right, semicircular turn diagonally down. Turn it sideways to the left, turn it diagonally down to the right, and sharp turn across to the left. At that ending point, I'm going to draw a curved line from the upper corner, flare it slightly out, and semicircular turn back inwards and down, and flare it slightly outwards. Zigzag line across to the left, diagonal curved line across to the left, turn it upwards, sharp turn diagonally down to the left, an arch curved line to the left, sharp turn diagonally upwards at that corner, and curved line upwards, an arch curved line across to the left and turn it back downwards, sharp turn upwards at that corner, a line across to the left, sharp turn upwards, curved line across to the left, sharp turn diagonally up to the shoulder, and a few arch curved line at the side of her shoulders right there. Below her shirt, I'm gonna draw her waist on the right with curved line downwards, flare it slightly out below the waist. I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side right here, and below that, a curved line across from the ending point on the left to the right. From the side of her waist, I'm going to draw a line outwards, turn it diagonally down and slightly flare it out, and semicircular turn downwards below the hips. Curl it outwards at that corner, sharp turn back upwards on the right side of that, an arch curved line across to the right, a triangular niche at that corner, an arch curved line across to the right, sideways to the right, turn it upwards at that corner. In the middle of her leg, I'm going to draw a curved line across. I'm going to mirror the whole shape on the right side here as well. Inside of her shorts, in the middle point of center, I'm going to draw a line downwards on the left corner and another one on the right side. Inside of the short, below the waist, I'm going to draw a curved line across at that corner, all the way to the right. And above that line, I'm going to draw a circular shape in the middle point right there. And on both sides of the button, I'm going to draw two lines upwards on the right, and I'm going to do the same thing on the left side. On the left side of the shorts, I'm going to draw a curved line at that point, and on the right side of that, at the upper corner, diagonal curved line right there. I'm going to copy the same diagonal curved line on the right side of the shorts. Below the shorts on the left, I'm going to draw a line downwards right there, across to the right, turn it back upwards on the right side. I'm going to copy the same shape on the right leg right there. Below the shorts, I'm going to draw her thigh with diagonal curved line downwards and turn it inwards towards her knee point on both the left and right. Below the knee point, another curved line, flare it slightly out on both sides and turn it back inwards towards her ankle point. On her ankle point right there, I'm going to draw a curved line across, semicircular turn downwards on both sides. Below that, I'm going to draw a curved line across and another similar curved line below that. A line downwards on both ending points at the sides. I'm gonna repeat that same set of shape slightly below that, right there, and another one. For the side of her shoe, I'm going to draw a diagonal curve line from the upper corner, flare it slightly outwards on both sides. Semicircular turn at the lower point to the middle on both the left and right, and curve line across in the middle point. Below that, at the side, I'm going to draw a line downwards on both the left and right, and curve line across for the base of the shoe. At the front tip of the shoe, I'm going to draw an arch curve line across right there. Now for her socks, below her knee, I'm going to draw some curve lines across right there. And I'm going to copy the whole leg shape on the right side. Now for the outer line of her left arm, I'm going to draw a diagonal line downwards and to the left, semicircular turn to the right on her elbow point. And for the inner line of that arm, I'm going to draw a similar diagonal line to the left and downwards. And below that, a diagonal curve line to the right and downwards. At that ending point, I'm going to draw a curve line across and another curve line across at this lower point on the right. On both ending points, I'm going to draw a curve line across at the outer corner and at the inner corner. Continue the line of her arms across to the right, and at that ending point, I'm going to draw the top of her glove with curve line across. Turn it downwards on both sides, and at the inner corner, I'm going to draw a curve line across to the right. And for the outer corner, curve line across diagonally to the right. Now for her right arm, I'm going to copy the same shape at the outer corner and for the inner corner as well. Curve line across for the top of her glove, turn it diagonally in to the left, semicircular turn across to the left. At the inner corner, curve line across to the left. Inside of her shirt, at the side, I'm going to draw a curve line downwards right there, and I'm going to do the same thing on the right side here as well. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.